Page number is 52 and our unit is 4. Programming, play with Scratch. Programming, play with Scratch. In this lesson, we are going to learn about blocks and how to make a program. In this unit, what we are going to learn, boys, we are going to learn about the blocks, basically the programming that we use to make any program in Scratch, and to make changes to a program and make different changes in a existing program. Okay, so in this unit we are going to learn three things. First of all, what are blocks, how to make a program, and how to make changes in the program. In this unit, you will look at a program made of blocks. In this unit, we are going to make a program that is made of blocks. You will learn how programs are made. You will make changes to the program. So first of all, in this unit, you are going to learn a program made of blocks. As I have, as we have did in our previous classes, that the sprite was asking, "What is your name?" and you was typing your name, and he was saying, "Thank you." Like this, we are going to make different short programs in Scratch using the blocks. And in the end, we are also going to make some changes in the program. Okay. Scratch the cat is a sprite. Scratch the cat is a sprite. In a Scratch program, this cat name is Sprite. Okay. In the last unit, you added a hedgehog sprite. We have used this hedgehog also in our previous class. You know this. Now this cat name is Sprite and hedgehog that you have used in your last class. There are many other sprites. Here are some. See them. We will use them in the end when we will open the software. Which type of sprite do you like best? So you can choose your sprite that you like the best, okay? You can choose any sprite that you like best. Actually, the sprite is a character that you choose in a Scratch program, and you use blocks according to that character. So the character in the Scratch is sprite, okay? Digital citizen of the future. We often use programs that other people made. We can also make changes. We can make programs do just what we want. Okay. Some of the people, they what they do, they make their own program, and some of them they use the programs that are made by programmers, and what they do, they make some changes in these programs. They make changes in these programs and make it according to their requirement. Okay. For example, I have told you how to write a program in which Sprite is going to ask your name, and then he is going to say thank you. So I have made this program. You want the same program, but after that, he should also ask from you your age, your grade. So what you are going to do, you are going to take my program and make editing in this. You can edit the program. Okay, here are some vocabulary words that we are going to cover. Sprite. First word is sprite. You know what is sprite? The character in the Scratch. These all characters in the Scratch are known as sprite. They have different names, but we are going to call them sprite. Block. What is block? This coding that we use is called block. Program. When we use these blocks and make something that is called a program. Drag, right click, like this. What we are going to do, we are going to drag the blocks and then we are going to right click. Think of new sprite that could be friends with a Scratch. Draw new sprite. Okay, we can also add a new character in the software. If you want to put something new like Barbie, Ninja Turtles, any Pokemon, I think these are already in the program, but like this, if you want to do Doraemon, if you want to put in the program, you can also draw. Did you know there are tutorials on the Scratch website? Look at the tutorials if you want to learn extra skills. So look, we were discussing about the programs that are already made. If you want to make those programs or if you want to learn from them, what you are going to do, you are going to go on the website and there are some tutorial videos that you are going to watch and understand that will help you in doing programming in Scratch. Okay, what computer games do you know? Which are your favorites? The computer games that we play in our computer, in our tablets, in our phones, some of them are made in Scratch. Okay, some are made in other. There are lots and lots of different software that are used to make games, but some of them that we play in the computer, tablets, desktops, palm tops, in our phones, they are made in Scratch. Okay, moving on to our first lesson. The name of our lesson is Green Flags Means Start. Green flag means start. As I have told you people that first of all, when we are making a program, we use this block. This block is very important and necessary to start a program. If we are not using this, we cannot start our program. So this is special, or you can say it is must block. It is must block. When you are going doing a coding, you should use this. Without this, your green flag is not going to start a program. Okay, in this lesson, you will learn to make a program start. A program means some instructions. The instructions tell the computer what to do. In this lesson, what we are going to do, we are going to start and make a program. We have already covered this, that when we are going to make a coding and use this block, we are going to click on green flag and we are going to get the program start. Now, here is the definition of a program. What is a program? Program means some instructions. A program means some instructions. What a program means? Program means some instructions. And the instructions tell the computer what to do. Like me, like a teacher. Teachers tell the student what to do. That is called, when we tell it to the computer in the program. So these are the instructions that are given to the computer. Look at this screen. In the middle of the screen is a program. Look, this, the blocks are used and program is made. The program is made of blocks. These things that we drag and drop here are called blocks. What are these called? Blocks. First of all, what is program? Instructions that are given to computer to do some work. It is called program. Then blocks. What are blocks? The program is made of blocks. The blocks are shaped that fit together. Each blocks make the computer to do one thing. So blocks are like this shape. They fit together. They are joined together and they tell the computer what to do. This block tells the computer to start the program. It has a green flag on it. When we use this flag, what it do? It tells the computer to start a program. You can move the blocks and fit them together. To move a block, do this. Move the mouse pointer to the block. Press your finger on the mouse button. Keep pressing, move the mouse. Okay, see here, boys. It's taking some time. Okay, look, first of all, what we are going to do, you can see my screen, right? Okay, first of all, we are going to go in events and use this block. And now how we are going to put this block? We are going to move our mouse towards the block, hold the button and bring it here, drag and drop. This is called drag. I'm dragging it and what I'm doing, dropping it. Okay, this is how you can use the blocks to your programming screen. Move the mouse. You have understood what is how we are going to bring the blocks to the screen. The block will move along too. This is called dragging the block. When we move the block from the side and bring it to the programming portion, that is called dragging. When the block is in the right place, let's go to the mouse pointer. The block will drop into the new place. This is called drag and drop. This is called drag and drop. Like this. What I'm doing, I am dragging and dropping. What I'm doing, boys, I am dragging and dropping. When I'm going to click on green, it is going to say hello. He's saying hello. Say hello for time. Use this one. Say hello for 2 seconds. Say hello for 2 seconds. And Sprite is saying hello for 2 seconds. This taking the block from here and putting it here is called dragging and dropping. What I'm doing, I'm picking it up and putting it here. When I pick it, it is called drag. And when I drop it here, it is called dropping. Coming back to the book, drag green flag block to the program. When it is touched the program, the blocks will join together. It is like jigsaw puzzles. Here is what program will look like. You join the green flag block to the program. Now click the green flag, the program will start. The scratch, the start will walk about. As I have told you that when we are going to write a coding, we are going to use this block. And with this, what is going to happen? The program is going to start. What is sprite? Our next lesson is what is sprite. In this lesson, you will learn how to make program start in a new way, what a sprite is. First of all, we are going to see what is sprite and how we can use a program to start it in a new way. A sprite is a picture on screen. The program makes the sprite move. The scratch is a sprite. The character, that a picture of a monkey, of a cat, of a dolphin, anything, that is called sprite. The program looks like this. Some blocks have curved top. A block with a curved top is a starting block, like this, as you can see on the scratch. This curved. This means it will be used to put at the start and it will start the program. Understood, boys? Some have a curved top. A block with a curved top is a start block. All the blocks that have curved like this, it means they are starting block. Here are two start blocks. One has got the green flag, the other one says when the sprite clicked. So here are two things. We can use two blocks, when green flag clicked or when the sprite is clicked. Join the second block to the program. Here is the programming that now we are going to do. Click on the green flag, nothing happens. Click on the sprite, the program will start. The sprite will move on the empty screen on or on or drop. If you choose one, this picture is an example. Okay. Okay, this was our lesson. In this, what we have studied? We have studied that what is program? A program, what is the mean of program? So a program is set of instructions given to the computer, so to tell the computer what to do. Then we have studied the sprite. What is a sprite? A character in the picture in the Scratch program is called sprite. Then we have studied blocks. The program is made of blocks. These are called blocks. Then we have studied about dragging and dropping. When we pick a block and we put it in the programming section, it is called dragging, means picking, and then dropping it, putting it in the programming section. And then we have studied in 4.2 a sprite. What is a sprite? A picture on screen. The program makes the sprite move. Scratch is a sprite. Understood? And then we have studied the blocks that have curved on top. They are called start block. They are called start block. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to start with our programming. So see on the book, put them back. Here, go in events. This time you are not going to use when green flag clicked. You are going to choose that when sprite clicked. When sprite clicked. When this sprite clicked. Choose this one. Okay, and then you are going to use go to. What you are going to use? You are going to use go to. Go to here.